Good morning, children. Let us continue yesterday's lesson, history second lesson, hunting, gathering to growing the food. Today, let us learn one of the important place, that is Mehrgarh. It is located in the side of the Pakistan. So, it is the important place, and also the archaeologists explain about the Mehrgarh. What is the importance of the Mehrgarh? You can see here. What is the importance of the Mehrgarh? Let us learn now. So not only the Mehrgarh, yesterday I have said for you about Barjahom, located in the Kashmir, which is the when they started the early agriculture. Along with the Barjahom, there is the places of the some places are there, Karnool caves and Kolkata, Chiran, and all these places are developed early only. Now let us learn about the Mehrgarh, what archaeologists given the information. The archaeologists given information about the Mehrgarh, I told for you, living and dying in the place of the Mehrgarh. The people, the Mehrgarh, it is located in a fertile land and near the Bolan Pass that is located in the Iran, and this is the one of the earliest city or earliest village which was developed with the agriculture or rearing of the animals. The place of the Mehrgarh people, they grow the wheat, barley and rearing of the sheep and goat, and after that the people, they constructed the rectangular houses. That rectangular houses means like a four boxes wise they constructed the house. The rectangular, the square model, like a compartment wise they constructed. The constructed rectangular houses, and it has the four compartments and the several burial sites also it is there. It is the important place. Archaeologist given how he is given information about the Mehrgarh based on evidences. What evidences he was found about the earliest rearing of the sheep and goat. They found the bones of the animals. So after finding the bones of the animals, they have said that they reared the animals of the sheep and goat. And finding of the under the underground, the pit, they found some of the grains, and in the village which crops they grow there, and the constructed of the rectangular houses. By seeing the some of the evidences in textbook, we have the pictures are there that you can see the rectangular and the four compartment wise they constructed the houses also. And next, these people, they maintain the relationship also. After maintenance of the relationship, and they used to keep all the dead bodies in one place only. So in a one place only, the people, all the dead animals and dead bodies and all the different kinds of the bones archaeologists found in the place of the Mehrgarh. After finding the evidences of the bones of the animals and the different houses and the pots, by seeing all these, they have explained it is one of the earliest developed village, and the people maintained relationship also, and they constructed very good houses, and after that they have maintained the agricultural system also, and growing of the specially they grow the barley and wheat, and they used to store the grains in a underground. Along with the place of the Mehrgarh, there is, yesterday I told for you about the Barjahom, which was the earliest agriculture. The people used to live in the particular place. That is the place of the Barjahom. Now it is called the Kashmir also. So children, and once again you have to read the textbook. What is the importance, what archaeologists given the evidences of the Mehrgarh. You have to read in a textbook. There is a map pointing, it is there. One in a outline map, you have to write all the names what is given in the textbook. Read and understand once again.